You've probably heard the myth. You buy a Tesla and suddenly maintenance just disappears. No fluids, no headaches, no worries. Sounds perfect, right? But here's the truth you don't usually hear. Teslas don't eliminate maintenance, they reinvent it. And if you understand how this new world actually works, you'll keep your car healthier, longer, and way more powerful than the people who just charge and hope. If you want to stay ahead of everyone sleepwalking through EV ownership, like and subscribe to Dravexa, because you're about to understand Teslas differently than most owners ever will. Here's the first reality check. Your battery isn't a part of the car. It is the car. It's the engine, the fuel tank, the heart, and the long-term value all fused into one system. And it's surprisingly simple to protect. Once you know the rules, nobody bothers to explain. Day to day, your battery loves balance. Not too low, not too high. Living mostly between 20 and 80% keeps the chemistry calm, the stress low, and the long-term capacity healthier. Except there's a twist, and almost nobody outside Tesla engineering talks about it. If you're driving on LFP batteries, different game. Those packs actually like seeing 100%. They need it to stay accurate and calibrated. Tesla literally recommends topping them off regularly. So already you see the pattern. EV maintenance isn't nothing. It's understand the system or the system punishes ignorance later. But low charge abuse is just as dangerous in silence. Dropping to 1% occasionally? Fine. Turning it into a lifestyle, that's slow battery torture, and it won't scream while it deteriorates. Same story with letting your Tesla sit full at 95 to 100%. You don't see damage instantly, you feel it years later, when range mysteriously isn't what it used to be. And here's what nobody is talking about yet. As EVs age, the second-hand market is going to separate into two brutal categories. People who treated their batteries right, and everyone else stuck selling tired EVs at a discount. Temperature, that's the silent villain nobody respects enough. Cold climates don't just slow your charge, they stress the pack if you're careless. Your Tesla is smart, but only if you let it be smart. Preconditioning isn't a gimmick, it's battery armor. Set your charge schedule. Navigate to your Supercharger so the car warms the pack before you arrive. The difference? Faster charging, less degradation, fewer microscopic injuries inside the cells that add up over years. And if your displayed range ever looks wrong, that's not the battery getting weaker overnight. That's the brain misreading the body. One recalibration cycle. Full charge, let it rest, return to normal, and the system resets its reality. Then there's one of the funniest EV misunderstandings. Regen brakes mean brakes don't matter anymore. Wrong. Regen protects pads, but nature still attacks metal. If you live anywhere with salt, moisture, or harsh winters, your rarely used brakes are quietly corroding. The less you use them, the more vulnerable they actually become. Tesla recommends yearly lubrication in cold regions for a reason. Ignore it, and one day it's not a cheap preventative service. It's seized calipers, uneven braking, vibrations, and a bill that makes EV maintenance is cheap feel like a joke. Hear grinding? Feel pull? Notice vibration? That isn't, it's probably fine. That's your car whispering, fix me before I punish your wallet. Now tires, this is where most Tesla owners get humbled fast. Heavy car, instant torque, hypersensitive alignment. That combination eats cheap tires for breakfast. Rotation isn't a good idea, it's survival. Every 6,000 to 10,000 kilometers keeps wear even, keeps range consistent, keeps handling sharp. And here's a forward-looking truth. Tire technology is about to become one of the most competitive battlegrounds in the EV world. Expect EV-specific compounds. Expect noise reduction innovations. Expect brands bragging about EV-optimized longevity the same way they once bragged about horsepower. The cars evolved. Tires have to evolve with them, or drivers pay the price. But here's the bigger picture Tesla never prints on a brochure. Future EV maintenance won't look like today's car ownership at all. We're moving toward predictive maintenance, AI diagnostics that warn you weeks before something fails, cars that schedule service before you even think about it, over-the-air updates that fix problems without lifting a wrench. Today you think about tire rotations and brake lubrication. Tomorrow your Tesla tells you exactly what it needs, when it needs it, and why it matters. And buyers, they'll start judging used EVs the way pilots judge aircraft, by health data, battery care, charging behavior, service consistency. This isn't fantasy, it's where the industry is quietly heading. Most Tesla owners think they bought the future because they stopped changing oil, but you're starting to understand the real future: smarter ownership, longer lifespan, and performance that stays strong instead of fading quietly. That's why you're here. And if insights like this help you see the road ahead clearer than everyone else, like and subscribe to Dravexa, because this is just the beginning of how the EV world is really going to change your relationship with cars. And remember this, Teslas don't reward neglect, they reward intelligence. The people who learn, win. The people who assume, pay. And now you know which side you're on. Like and subscribe to Dravexa, because this is just the beginning of how the EV world is really going to change your relationship with cars. Now let's talk about the silent Tesla killer most owners underestimate: alignment. You feel it as a tiny steering offset. You see it as subtle, uneven wear. You ignore it, and suddenly your tires vanish faster than your patience. Teslas are powerful, heavy, precise. That means when alignment drifts, it doesn't drift gently, it punishes quietly. One pothole, one curb, one neglected adjustment, and you're bleeding performance, efficiency, and money without noticing. Catching it early is the difference between simple correction and why do my tires look like they lived through a war? If you want insights like this before everyone else figures them out the expensive way, like and subscribe to Dravexa, because we don't wait for problems to hit, we call them before they arrive. And tire pressure? This is where people lose range without ever touching the accelerator. Being even a few psi low creates rolling resistance, heat buildup, and wasted energy every single drive. You want range back instantly? Inflate correctly. Most Teslas love around 42 psi, depending on wheels and model. That number isn't arbitrary. It's the line between efficiency and unnecessary stress. And in cold climates, let's kill another myth. Winter tires are optional. No, they're transformation. Better traction, better stopping distance, better control. And in an EV, stability isn't just safety, it's performance confidence. But here's what nobody's talking about yet. Expect the next generation of EV winter tires to integrate smart monitoring, adaptive compounds, and noise intelligence. Tires are evolving into tech products, not just rubber. Inside your Tesla, another system is quietly shaping your experience: air management. Cabin filters matter more than you think. They don't just clean air, they protect the HVAC system, preserve airflow, and stop moisture from turning into odor and bacteria. Replace them regularly. If you live in dust, pollution, or extreme climates, do it sooner. Tesla even gives you tools to do it yourself, because maintaining your car shouldn't feel like rocket science, even if the car does. But here's the part almost no one knows. Buried inside that cooling system is a tiny hero, the desiccant bag. Its job? Absorb moisture before moisture destroys expensive components. Nobody talks about it because it's invisible, until it fails. Then it becomes very visible, financially. Replace it on schedule. It's cheap protection against an expensive future. Fluid-free EVs? Not quite. You don't have engine oil, but you still have systems worth respecting. Brake fluid needs testing every 2 years because moisture destroys braking confidence. Thermal coolant isn't something you think about daily, but that's exactly why Tesla checks it every few years. It's the life support system for your battery and motors. Ignore it and you're gambling with the most expensive parts of the car. And yes, washer fluid. Not sexy, not futuristic, but when vision is everything, sometimes the simplest maintenance is the most human. Suspension? That's where weight reveals itself. Teslas carry serious mass, and over time that stresses bushings, control arms, and tie rods. Older Model 3 and Y owners already know the story. Rattles, clunks, subtle steering changes, then sudden repairs. But this is bigger than Tesla. As EVs become heavier across the industry, expect manufacturers to pivot toward reinforced suspension design, smarter diagnostics, and durability standards beyond combustion norms. The industry is learning in real time, and you're seeing the growing pains now. Inside your Tesla, your car doesn't just drive like a computer, it lives like one. Rebooting the infotainment system every once in a while clears glitches, refreshes processes, and keeps performance crisp. Clean out Sentry storage, maintain digital hygiene the same way you maintain hardware, and keep the interior clean with gentle care, not harsh chemicals. Durability comes from respect, not aggression. And here's what separates the clueless from the prepared. Your Tesla already tells you what it needs, in the app, in the Service tab, with reminders tailored to your car. This isn't guesswork anymore. This is ownership with guidance. And when you combine that with frequent software updates, your car doesn't just get maintained, it evolves. Bugs disappear, features improve, systems optimize. You're not maintaining a car, you're living with a machine that keeps learning. That's not hype. That's the philosophy behind Tesla's ecosystem, and it's only getting stronger. If understanding that edge matters to you, like and subscribe to Dravexa, because staying updated isn't entertainment here, it's strategy. This is the mindset shift. You're not babysitting a fragile machine, you're partnering with a powerful, evolving system. The owners who understand this will enjoy better range, longer lifespan, stronger resale value, and fewer "why is this happening" moments. The others will keep believing EVs have no maintenance until reality proves otherwise. And you're not one of them. You see ahead, you think ahead. And if you want to stay ahead, like and subscribe to Dravexa, because the future of electric ownership isn't about luck, it's about knowledge. And now you've got it.